The silent engine killer no one tells you about. 90% of drivers are being bled dry by standard maintenance practices, and they don't even realize it. Your mechanic might not be lying to your face, but they are definitely leaving out the chapters that keep your car out of their shop. Today, we are exposing 20 industry secrets that will put $2,000 back in your pocket every single year. We're starting with a mistake so common, it actually turns your AC system into a self-destructing time bomb. Secret number 17. If your AC starts blowing warm, the worst thing you can do is just keep topping it off with those DIY cans. Here's the technical reality. Your AC system is a sealed loop. If the refrigerant is low, there is a leak. But it's not just gas escaping. Every time that pressurized refrigerant leaks out, a mist of PAG oil goes with it. That oil is the lifeblood of your compressor. If you keep refilling the gas without fixing the leak, you're essentially running a dry engine. The compressor starts grinding internally, sending metal shards through the entire system until it locks up. Now, instead of a $5 O-ring, you're looking at a $1,200 Black Death repair where the whole system has to be flushed or replaced. The pro move? Add UV dye and grab a black light. Most modern cars actually have dye from the factory. Find the neon green glow, swap the leaking seal, and you're done. Also, run your AC for 10 minutes once a month in the winter. It keeps those internal seals saturated with oil so they don't shrink and crack. Secret number 16. You can get genuine OEM parts without the dealership tax. Look, that $150 oxygen sensor in the Honda box, it's a Denso sensor. The $200 BMW ignition coil, it's a Bosch or Eldor. Car manufacturers don't make these parts. They outsource them to specialized engineering firms and then slap a 100% markup on the box. Check the brand name etched directly on your factory part. Whether it's Aisin, ZF, or NGK, search for that brand and the part number on sites like Rock Auto or specialized forums. You are getting the exact same engineering, the same tolerances, and the same longevity, just without the fancy logo on the cardboard. You'll save 50 to 80% instantly. Why pay for the dealership's glass showroom when you can buy the part at the source? Secret number 15. The $80 flush that could save you $1,500. Most drivers check their brake pads, but they ignore the fluid until the pedal feels like a sponge. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it literally sucks moisture out of the air. Over 2 to 3 years, that water content builds up. When you hit the brakes hard, that water can boil, creating air pockets and causing brake fade. Even worse, that moisture is eating your ABS actuator from the inside out. An ABS module can cost $1,200 plus labor. A simple $20 bottle of DOT4 and an hour of bleeding the lines prevents that corrosion entirely. If your fluid looks like dark tea instead of light honey, you are already on borrowed time. Secret number 14. Swap your coolant or pay for a blown head gasket. Coolant isn't just for freeze protection, it's a sophisticated package of corrosion inhibitors. Over time, those chemicals drop out of the liquid and your coolant turns acidic. It literally starts performing electrolysis, consuming the metal of your radiator and eating away at the delicate layers of your head gasket. Don't wait for the 100,000-mile interval on the manual. By then, the pH level has often tanked. Flush it every 3 to 4 years. A $25 gallon of the correct OAT or HOAT coolant is cheap insurance against a $2,000 engine teardown. Just a quick tip, never mix colors. Mixing green and orange coolant can create a gel-like sludge that will plug your heater core instantly. Secret number 13. The $10 fluid swap that saves your $800 steering rack. Your power steering pump is essentially a high-pressure meat grinder. As it wears, it sheds microscopic metal glitter into the fluid. That glitter acts like sandpaper on the rubber seals of your steering rack. Most people wait until the pump starts whining or the steering gets notchy in the morning. By then, the damage is done. Use a $10 turkey baster to suck the old fluid out of the reservoir and refill it with fresh fluid once a year. It takes 2 minutes. You're keeping the detergent levels high and the abrasive particles low. It's the difference between a rack that lasts 300,000 miles and one that leaks at 80,000 miles. Secret number 11. Don't replace the entire part, fix the piece that's broken. This is where dealerships make their real money. They see a torn rubber bushing and tell you need a brand new $400 control arm. In reality, that bushing is a $15 part. Whether it's a plastic gear in a window motor, a solenoid in a transmission, or a capacitor on a circuit board, everything is modular. If you have a bit of DIY spirit, you can often component-level repair your car. Before you buy a whole assembly, search YouTube for Your Part Repair Kit. You'll be shocked at how often a $10 plastic clip is the only thing standing between you and a $500 bill.
Secret number 10. Rodent-proof your car or risk a $4,000 wiring disaster. Here's a weird fact. Manufacturers switched to soy-based wiring insulation to be green, but they basically made your car smell like a buffet to mice and squirrels. They will chew through a main wiring harness in a single night. Insurance might cover it, but your premiums won't like it. The fix? Peppermint oil on cotton balls, or Honda's rodent tape, which is literally infused with capsaicin, chili pepper. It's the only way to keep them from treating your engine bay like a snack bar. Secret number 9. Skip the dealer and keep your cash. Unless you are under a bumper-to-bumper warranty, the dealership is often the least efficient place to be. You're paying for the overhead of a massive building and a service advisor who is paid on commission to upsell you. Find a reputable independent shop that specializes in your brand. These shops are often owned by former master technicians who left the dealership because they were tired of the corporate grind. You get better expertise, more honest advice, and labor rates that are often 40% lower. Secret number 8. Oil spray your undercarriage and beat rust for good. If you live in the salt belt, washing your car isn't enough. Salt gets trapped in the crevices of your frame and eats it from the inside out. Forget the rubberized undercoating. That actually traps moisture and makes rust worse. Use a self-healing oil or wax-based spray like fluid film or wool wax. It creeps into the welds and stays wet, displacing moisture for a full year. It's messy, but it's the only reason 20-year-old trucks in Canada still have solid frames. Secret number 7. Keep your EV battery cool to last way longer. Heat is the silent killer of lithium-ion cells. If you drive an EV or a hybrid, the way you charge dictates how long that $10,000 battery lasts. Avoid fast charging to 100% in the middle of a 100-degree day if you can avoid it. Use your car's preconditioning feature while it's still plugged in to bring the battery to an optimal temperature before you drive. Keeping your state of charge between 20% and 80% can effectively double the cycle life of the battery. Secret number 6. This $1 trick to your diesel tank can avoid an $8,000 repair. Modern ultra-low sulfur diesel, or ULSD, is dry. It lacks the lubricity that old-school diesel had. This is a nightmare for high-pressure fuel pumps like the Bosch CP04, which can grenade and send metal shards through your entire fuel system. Many diesel veterans add a specific ratio of ashless two-stroke oil or a dedicated lubricity additive to every tank. It provides that extra microscopic layer of protection for the pump's internal rollers. For $1 per tank, you're preventing a total fuel system failure that costs more than a used car. Secret number 5. Fix your car's weak spots before they fail. Every car has a known flaw. On a BMW, it might be the plastic cooling system. On a Subaru, it's the head gaskets. On a Toyota, it might be a specific water pump. Don't be a reactive owner. Join a forum, find the common problems sticky thread, and replace those weak links on your schedule. Replacing a $60 plastic coolant flange before it cracks is the difference between a boring Saturday and a warped engine head. Secret number 4. Stop carbon buildup before it drains $700 from your wallet. If you have a direct injection or GDI engine, your fuel is sprayed into the cylinder, not over the intake valves. This means your valves never get washed by gasoline. Instead, they get coated in oily PCV vapors that bake into hard carbon. This kills your MPG and causes misfires. The solution? Install a high-quality catch can. It intercepts those oily vapors and traps them in a reservoir so they never reach your valves. It's a $100 part that keeps your intake tract hospital clean for the life of the car. Secret number 3. Head to the junkyard and save thousands on major repairs. People think junkyards are for junk, but they're actually gold mines for OEM parts. If your alternator dies, a new one might be $400. A used OEM one from a low-mileage wreck at a pull-apart is $30. This is especially true for body panels. If someone dents your door, don't go to a body shop for a $1,500 repair. Find a car in the same color code at a salvage yard, swap the door for $100, and you're back on the road with factory paint. Secret number 2. Don't wait for a misfire to replace your spark plugs. As the electrode on a spark plug wears down, the gap gets wider. Your ignition coils have to work twice as hard to jump that gap. Eventually, the heat kills the coil. Now, instead of a $40 set of plugs, you're buying $300 in coils. Change them every 60,000 to 80,000 miles to keep the load off your electrical system and your fuel economy at its peak. Secret number 1. Clean your MAF sensor to restore lost power. This is the single most overlooked tune-up in existence. Your mass airflow sensor tells the car exactly how much air is coming in. If it's coated in a microscopic film of dust or oil, it lies to the computer. Your car will run lean or rich, causing hesitation and terrible gas mileage. Grab a $10 can of specialized MAF cleaner, spray the delicate wires, never touch them, and let it dry. It's a 10-minute job that can make a sluggish engine feel brand new again. You've just armed yourself with the secrets the industry prefers you didn't know, but keeping the car running is just half the battle. If you want to know how to unlock the hidden horsepower your manufacturer locked away from the factory, you'll want to see this next video. Hit subscribe and let's keep your car on the road and out of the shop.